United Nations of West Milford is hereby joining the Confederation of the United States. Now, which way we're going? This never came across my mind.
Come on, get your hands in here.
Baby, just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches and get to what's real. Can't you see me standing here? I got my back against the wrecking machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen. Can't you see what I mean?
So, Christmas.
Ben, what's your inspiration?
Pink Panther.
Who said that? Baby, how you been? You say you don't know, you won't know. Can't you see?
Oh my God.
I know. Black would have been better.
Can't you see what I'm
It looks like a kindergarten.
Built this floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, stand away.
Keep it pretty.
No pass your way.
Go for
Oh,
it.
you got it. It's the correct end this time, thank you.
One of the things, Ben, with this is not to over tighten.
Over tighten what? When you make the next. You know, it's. I built this entire floor. I waterproofed it. And I'm gonna still like Ben now. Listen, if you screwed something.
Keep that, Ron. We're gonna read it later.
That's it. What a dumb cat.
Way back over that. Wait, when he's ready.
Go ahead, Ron.
Alright, now we're talking, boys.
Well done. Thank you.
Oh, that looks good. Look at that table.
Cheers, boys. Great day.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bravo.
Have a couple celebration.
Look at this.
String lighting.
You get
I'm just panning around the room and he goes, string lighting into his phone.
It's got nothing to do with anything.
Things are gonna make it easier.
Holy shit, this room is fucking sick.
Can you? Very good.
Lava.
Good stuff, Albert. Yeah.